Hello, my fellow Montero, Shogun, Pajero enthusiasts. This would be the third gen Montero, so '01 to '06 here in the States. If you're overseas, I'm not sure what that equates to. So these have a pretty common issue with the sunroof. Mine is no exception. I just picked this up the other day. Got a great deal on it. Low mileage, no rust, this and that. So the issue these sunroofs have is, for some unholy reason, my phone to focus, the bolts come loose in the motor, and either they won't open, they won't close, or they don't close all the way, or they don't open all the way. You get the picture. Basically, you got to find a bolt that fits in there, and it'll work just fine. I don't really think there's many issues with these motors going bad, and if it is, it's not a big deal. You got to take your dome light out, your switch plate out. These clips, which are a pain to get out, so do yourself a favor and grab some, because I almost busted both of mine coming out. As you can see, this got a little screwy, but it will still work. You take these out, so Phillips heads, or I'm sorry, yeah. Number 2 Phillips head, number 2 Phillips head, number 2 Phillips head. And then you pull these out, they just unsnap, and these are also Phillips heads. Once you get that out, you can work this out, and then look at it. You'll most likely see that you're missing a bolt. Find the right thread, put it in, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.